Today I'm going to tell you how to fix Windows 11 sound or audio issues. If you're using Windows 11, you're facing the issue that your audio is not playing. So let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing, you just have to click on this sidebar here and you must get this type controls. The very first thing, you have to make sure that your speaker is on muted. Like if you might see at this type interface, there's a cross on speaker. So your speaker is muted. You just have to unmute your speaker by clicking on it, or you can also try to maximize your volume from here. If it's still not working for you, just click on this arrow icon, and from here you have to make sure that in output devices you have selected speakers or your system default speakers, not any third or any other device like your Bluetooth device or any headphones. So you have to make sure that you have selected speakers from here. Now it might help you to fix out your issue. If it's still not working for you, so just right click on your speaker here, or you can also go to settings tab, just click on the start button and just search for settings here. Open your settings app. Now once you are in settings, go to system and go to sound here. Now here you must see all your sound settings. The very first thing here, you can see choose where to play sound. You have to select speakers from here and make sure that here you might not any other device, and you have to make sure that your volume is maximized from here. After that, if your mono audio is enabled, so you can try to disable it first and then just scroll down, and here click on this more sound settings. Click on it, and in this section you might see your sound settings. In playback, you have to make sure that your speaker is enabled from here. There's a right click on it, or is a tick mark, or you can also go to properties here, and in properties go to advanced, and we have to make sure that you have selected the maximum sound from here and maximum frequency. Then just go to special sounds, and you can try to enable the special sound for your headphones, but it will not work for your speakers. I think you have to disable this. Now in enhancement, you have to make sure that you have enable this, disable all sound effects, so it will not add any sound effect to your speakers. And in this section, you have to also maximize it. Then click on apply and click on OK. Now once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try it through here in troubleshoot connection. You can select output devices. Now it will troubleshoot for your output devices, like for your speakers or for any other headphones if you are connected. So it might help you to fix out your issue. If it's still not working for you, so you can try to go back from here and just close this. Go to search and just search for services. Search for services. Open your services here. You might see at this type interface. Just click on any service and then press W from your keyboard. Now look for Windows Audio. Here's the Windows Audio. Right click on it and click on Restart. Now you have to also restart your audio endpoint. Once you have restarted both of these services, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. After doing this, you can try to restart your PC, or you have to also make sure that your PC is up to date. Go to settings here, go to Windows Update section, and just click on check for updates to check for any pending latest software update. After doing this all, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.